Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video friends, I'll be doing the Free Fire gameplay test in the Mi11X device while using the screen recording. So this was a request asked by one of my subscribers asking me to make a video, as you can see friends. So this is how I'll be taking all the screenshot of each and every user who comments me under the video, and if that video is not done by me, definitely I'll make sure that it will be uploaded as soon as possible. So I cannot guarantee you 100%, but definitely I'll do my best to upload the video friends as soon as possible. So recently I did a battery draining test and a lot of other videos as well, and similar kind of playing the PUBG and the Genshin Impact game and using the screen recording, I did those kind of videos as well. You'll get to know really very shocking news and interesting feedback as well, so make sure to check those videos in case if you haven't watched. So right now this is the settings friends which I'll be trying to use. So as a gamer and who likes to upload the videos in the YouTube, then definitely they will be using all these kind of options, as you can see. So they will be choosing even with the 60 FPS as well during this time of uploading. So let me try to choose this kind of settings only right now. So let me open the Free Fire game and start playing the game. So let's see friends whether the game will be able to handle properly while using the screen recording or not. And one more thing is that let me try to use the real-time FPS meter which is present in this phone. So let me try to select the maximum Free Fire gameplay settings first. So let me try to go to the settings here, and it is graphic settings, and everything I set to the, as you can see friends, highest points, as you can see here. So let me even try to select the bright as well. So these are the maximum points which I'm trying to select right now while playing the Free Fire game, and this is a real-time FPS meter where we can focus right now. So even you can concentrate on the temperature readings as well, how much the temperature is. So during this time of testing, let me try to use the brightness not much, so maybe even that will cause a lot of temperature issues as well. So that won't decrease the performance, but this will cause temperature increase. So I'm trying to use only 70% during this time, and right now the temperature is of 37 degrees at the moment, as you can see friends, 37, 36 degrees, 38, 39. And even the real-time FPS meter is also saying the same number, 39.8, as you can see here friends, 39.8 degrees Celsius. So I'll try to record the screen recording using this inbuilt screen recording. So let me try to start recording and start playing the game for about maybe 5 minutes. And meanwhile, I'll be focusing on the gameplay as well. How is the gameplay and how is the temperature is keeping on. So I'll try to add this kind of screen recording later on in this video as a part. So I'll try to definitely add that screen recording later on, so which will give you the clear idea about how is the quality of the screen recording as well. But this video I will be focusing only on this temperature readings and the FPS meter particularly. So this screen recording clip I'll try to include in separate video, so where that will be containing only the screen recording of this what I did right now. So in this video we'll be discussing only about the temperature readings, temperature and the FPS meter, how much it is. And even I'll try to explain the quality of the video as well later on, in case if you want to know what is the size of the video it will be there after playing for 5 minutes of time. So right now it is 41.6 degrees. And right now I'm getting about 60 FPS consistently, as you can see friends. So again I'll be back after 5 minutes of continuously playing the game, so we can discuss the FPS and temperatures. So right now you can see here friends, it's been 2 minutes of playing the game, and from the beginning it was increased up to from 39 it increased it to the 42.7 degrees right now, as you can see friends, 42.7 degrees. So I'm not that good at gaming, so I'll be just playing normal method, that's it. So I just want to play the game for some time to show you that what will be the temperature reading. So right now I'm recording with a 60 FPS recording. So this is a 60 FPS recording friends. So that is how everybody will be uploading the videos in the YouTube. So recording at 60 fps, and you can see the meanwhile temperature and the real-time fps count as well. You can monitor on this bar which is available. So right now I'm getting about 60 fps continuously maintaining without any kind of problem. And temperature is also not increasing that much, because when I'm playing the PUBG, the temperature start to increase within just 2 minutes of time or 3 minutes of time. It went up to 45 degrees in the PUBG and Genshin Impact. Their game performance, Genshin Impact game performance got affected, but not the PUBG game. Same thing friends, even with the Free Fire as well. I think the game performance is not yet affected in this phone. When the temperature is started to increase little by little, not much. So right now temperature I'm getting about 43.6 degrees. (43.7 degrees). The temperature is still increasing, as you can see friends, 43.7 degrees. So only problem is that the temperature will definitely increase in the phone. So whenever you try to record, the temperature will absolutely increase in the phone. So I'm just waiting for the final threshold value until what temperature the phone will increase. So that is what matters right now. I think it's there in the consistently maintaining about 43.6 temperature degrees Celsius. As you can see friends, it's maintaining exactly 43.6 degrees. So 43.7 degrees, 43.8 degrees. Right now the temperature has been increased, but the real-time FPS did not get affected any time. Even the performance is also not got affected at all. Only the temperature is a problem, which will definitely make the phone increase a lot. So make sure to comment below friends, in case if you're having any other doubts regarding the smartphone. I'll definitely do my best to upload the videos as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video friends, and overall the temperature reached up to 44 degrees, so I think it won't be that much. So right now the 6 minutes of the screen recording has been done successfully. As you can see friends, 6 minutes of video recording has been done. And let me go to the details as well. So 6 minutes of video recording, as the size is of 383 MB, as you can see. So maybe if you record for 10 minutes, the size will be close to 600 MB of size can be there in this phone if you try to record it 1080 at 60 fps. So this is how it looks, and the quality of the video. So let me try to go back to the quality of the video. So this is the quality of the video friends, which looks really good. As you can see friends, so which is looking really great. So no problem with the quality, so it's maintaining very good. So that's it friends, this is a quick review of the Free Fire game playing in this phone and while using the screen recording. So definitely there is a problem with the temperature. That's not this phone's problem. So every phone does heat little bit while you're gaming and using the screen recording at same time. So thank you for watching this video friends. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.